How to fix apps and games not working on Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So if you are facing this problem, it could be because of the Windows update. So to fix it, let's start with the solution. First of all, click on the search button and search for services. Click on the system services and then you will see a list of services on your screen. From the list of services, click on any of them and tap or type in W. This will take you to the W section from the services. Now search for Windows Update. Once you find the service, right-click on it and then go to its properties. Once you click on Properties, after this, click on the startup type and make sure to choose Manual. Once that is done, click on Apply and then on OK. After the changes are made, you need to stop the Windows Update service. For that, you can just right-click on the Windows Update and click on Stop. So once this is done, click on the File Explorer. From the File Explorer page, you have to go to this PC and select on Windows C. Once you click on it, it will take you to another page. From the list of options, you have to go to the Windows folder. Click on it and then scroll down until you find the folder called as Software Distribution. Double-click on it and then click on Data Store and Download. Select both of the folder and delete it. Once that is done, you need to restart your computer, and this should probably fix the issue. So that is all for today's video. For more such suggestions, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.